Meet the Aero25 Max, the perfect diffuser for homes, apartments, and offices of up to 1,500 square feet. Setting it up is quick and easy. Let's get started. Inside the box, you will find the Aero25 Max diffuser, power adapter, wall mount with its screws, and an empty oil bottle with its nozzle. Choose your favorite Aromely essential oil. Unscrew the bottle cap and fill the bottle up. Make sure the nozzle is nice and tight. Open the diffuser with its button on the top and insert the bottle into the diffuser. Make sure it makes a clicking noise. Important, don't ever mix oil with water. Connect the power adapter and it will automatically start misting in its default setting. Customize your experience. Adjust scent intensity and set a schedule using our Aromely app, available on both Google Play and the App Store, for automatic fragrance control at your convenience. You are now ready to enjoy the art of scent.